Hello, friends. Mike Feeney here with the Union Labor Advisory Network, here with Elliot
Washor.
from Big Picture Learning, here at the Eastern Atlantic States Carpenters Training Center in Edison, New Jersey. Learn a little bit more about what's going on here today. And Elliot, if you could give us an overview of Big Picture Learning and what's going on here.
Sure. So I'm co-founder of Big Picture Learning. We've been around for 32 years. We're very well known as a very innovative segment of the education community because we started schools and outside of school programs that start with the interests and choices of each and every young person. And we've always been involved to start there, not where all students have to go to college right from high school. We listen to what they want, and we provide that. And 2 days a week, when you're in high school, in our schools, you're out in the community with mentors that you want to learn from, trades, law, architecture, engineering, doesn't matter. But we have a soft spot in our heart for the trades. Always have, because of how I grew up and knowing what it really means for people and some of the things that are lost on people in terms of how schools make kids feel as less than a lot of times because they don't want to go to college, and they don't want to go to college for very good reasons. It's not who they are.
And, being here today, seeing this incredible vocational school, the training center that's here.
Unbelievable.
We'll have a little bit of B-roll clip and we'll be able to showcase what's going on here today. But these are education centers. These are organizations that are training the next generation of skilled tradespeople, not just the carpenters, but all trades. And to be able to partner up or work alongside Big Picture Learning to educate the next generation of what's going on is really incredible.
Well, to me, they always call Big Picture Learning one of the best kept secrets. This facility is one of the best kept secrets. I mean, this is an incredible place. And where have you been all my life? I mean, I'm looking around here and I'm going, oh my gosh. And I took the tour, and the adjacency of the classrooms next to the workspace, to the place where the apprentices are out in the field, in the community, coming back to get instruction. It's just marvelous. I just wish all schools were like this.
Yeah, and I know now with some of the connections, the collaborations, we're going to be able to educate the next generation from high school to middle school and beyond on what these full career opportunities could look like and how these direct access opportunities could start a career for families.
Oh, absolutely. And we're in the initiative that we're about to get started on. We're going to start with students young and bring them along and get them through to meet people so they learn not only in a classroom but through the relationships and in the situated learning environment on the site when possible.
That's great. Excited to showcase what's going on. Thank you for all you do with Big Picture Learning.
Thank you. This is an amazing opportunity here. We haven't had it in 32 years, and I think the whole education system needs to understand this and look like it.
Perfect. Look out for more. Follow, like, and subscribe. ULA Network. Thank you.
All right.